In today's video, I am going to teach you how to insert table in Microsoft Word. If you've ever tried to line up text or numbers and found things drifting out of place, a table is the simplest, cleanest way to keep everything organized. We will walk through 2 easy methods so you can choose the one that fits your workflow. First, place your cursor exactly where you want the table to appear in your document. This tells Word the precise spot to drop the table, so you don't have to move it later. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. On the ribbon, click Table. You will see a grid appear. Move your mouse over the grid to highlight the number of columns and rows you want. As you hover, Word gives you a live preview in the document so you can confirm the size before you commit. When you are happy with the selection, click once, and your table is instantly inserted. This grid method is great when you have a clear idea of a small or medium-sized table and want a quick visual way to set it up. Don't worry if you are not perfect on the first try. Tables are flexible, and you can change their size later if needed. The key here is to pick a starting layout that makes sense for your content. If you prefer a more precise approach, use the same table button, but this time select Insert Table from the drop-down menu. A small window will open where you can type the exact number of columns and rows you need. This is especially handy when you already know the structure you want, or when the table is large and the grid would take longer to count out. Enter your numbers, confirm, and Word will place the table right where your cursor was. Just like with the first method, you can start typing in the cells immediately, and Word will automatically fit the table to the page. A quick tip as you work: think about your content before you insert the table. If you are organizing categories and details, plan columns for the categories and rows for the entries. That little bit of planning makes choosing your table size much easier. And remember, you can always adjust later if your content grows. That's it. Thanks for watching.